Hi guys, this is how I make my kale salad with tahini dressing. These are the ingredients you'll need. First, I start by washing the kale. I do have a salad spinner for this, which I absolutely love. I just take off all of the kale leaves and I leave the tough rib part. If you want to, you can save the stems of the kale and use them for a different recipe. I sometimes will saute them just because I don't use them in this recipe because they're pretty tough. So after you wash a full head of kale, then you'll be ready to go with this recipe. This salad spinner doesn't fit a whole head of kale, so after 2 or 3 rounds, your whole head of kale will be washed and ready to go. Then in a large bowl, empty all your other ingredients and along with the salad dressing, which I will have the recipe for this linked in the description, and then toss all your ingredients together. And you're ready to serve this salad. It's very versatile and you can add ingredients to it like avocado to make it even more heart healthy.